4. Alexander Pope. The primacy of man appeared extensively in the literature of the age. Thus, Alexander Pope, 1688 to 1744, in his An Essay on Man, wrote what he called a general map of man. Pope's Essay on Man has been called superficial and half-digested philosophy, but it is important in its echoes of the age's thought. The chain of being concept was revived by Pope. This chain of being included God and man, as well as all nature in one common being. All are but parts of one stupendous whole, whose body nature is, and God the soul. This unified world of being, therefore, has no fall. It is normative, and it is one. All nature is but art, unknown to thee, all chance, direction which thou canst not see, all discord, harmony not understood, a partial evil, universal good, and spite of pride and erring reason spite. One truth is clear: whatever is right. Infallibility was thus transferred from God to the entire chain of being. That which is inevitably right because it is a part of that perfect whole. Man thus is not a sinner, he is right as he is, and because he represents a high point of the great chain of being. The proper study of mankind is man. Vice still existed in Pope's world by way of a contradiction, but there was no fall, only an upward growth. The God within the mind guides man. The chain of love works to bring all the world together and upwards, but self-love works to fulfill the glorious purpose of the whole also. Pope concluded, I turned the tuneful art from sounds to things, from fancy to the heart. For wit's false mirror held up nature's light, showed erring pride, whatever is right. That reason, passion, answer one great aim, that true self-love and social are the same, that virtue only makes our bliss below, and all our knowledge is ourselves to know. Pope's philosophical self-satisfaction and superficial optimism characterized much of the Enlightenment, with God simply an insurance agent, and was free to go his own way in a world where nothing can go wrong because whatever is right.